Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video updating gold, about gold. Okay, let's get started. I made a video yesterday and predicting that this thing is gold is going to drop below 1959. It's going to drop to 1920. So it did. So far, it went down to 1933. So let me show you a few charts and step by step, and then what are we supposed to expect when the week open next week, right? So just a few charts from the past. This is basically this is what's it's supposed to be happening. This is a gold monthly chart I made on 15th October when the wave 4 was finished. I'm not going to go back before that. It's going to be too long of a video. So wave 4 is ending here, my question mark here, and then we're supposed to be going for wave 5. So we started like this. This is a monthly version of it. So what's happening? This is a big wave 3. This is a big wave 4. And wave 5, this wave 5 is supposed to be, not even this wave 5. It's a wave 5. This is wave 5 of this wave count. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 5 also has 5 waves, right? Out of that, we have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and somewhere here, wave 5 will finish. And then big wave 5 will end up. Let's see if I can show you on the regular chart. This is what it is. So this is wave 3, this is wave 4, and we are going for wave 5. And right now we are in probably wave 3 of wave 5. We're going to wave, actually we are in wave 2 of wave 5, okay? So let's get to it. So now what's happening, also I have a weekly version. Let me show you if the weekly version was like this. Sorry, this is a monthly, right? And then where the heck is weekly? Okay, this is a weekly chart. The same time I made, not the same time, but this is on the January 14th. So this thing basically started to go up slowly, right? I think this is the version here, wave 4 ending here, weekly on 15th October, and then we start to go to the upside. So idea is, again, going for wave 5 of wave 5, right? That's the bottom line. So, and then I had tons of charts in between, up and down, going to the upside. But the bottom line is from here to here. Now, last week, yesterday, I made the chart, Friday night, that this is what's going to happen. What was that chart? That chart was this. This is the chart I showed in my yesterday's video, that I made this chart on the November 4th, that this thing is going to drop. So it went up here, right? Around 2009 and start to drop. So this number was in questions. 1987 is the key. I said, if we can stay below this, we will drop. To where? Maybe 1959 or even 1920. That's what, see my yellow mark? That we're going to drop to 1920 or close to that, and then we will bounce again to the upside and then take out with these highs as well. So what happened to this chart? This is the chart. It's okay. Coming down, I made a couple of trades, which are this here. This is a short, and then it's another short. Now, this is the chart I made on the 9th, right? Thursday, saying that this would happen on Friday. So it's going to come down even more towards 1920. We were at 1958. So I said, if we can stay below, if we can manage to stay below 1959 and continue dropping, we will go to 1920, right? And so far, what happened to this chart is this. So we came nicely. You can see here, this is a current chart. And we came as close as, well, we touched 1933. And how we did that, let me show you. That's where the chart go. And I think here, yeah. And then coming down, this is my trade. Remember, I said on the chart, 1959 is the key. Below that, if you find a short setup, take it. So I found it exactly at it. The prices start to drop below 1965, started to drop. It was messing around with 1959, but all in all, it was bearish. I had a short setup here. I took that, sell order is right there, and look how far from 1957 to 1935. I took it all the way, right? Because I was expecting it. So now I close here. This is S2, by the way, this pivot point, as well as the time was running out on Friday, evening. So I said before it retraces on me, I'll just close and, run, right? That's what happened. And current chart, you can see here, this is where we are now. So we went as low as, let me show you here on a 80-minute chart. You see, this is how it is. This 80-minute, well, it's like a daily chart, right? So this is the big move to the upside. We have one, and this is A, B, and C correction back to 38% exactly, and 1933 and 38%. This is where we stand right now. So if this 38% hold, and then 1920 is right below this. This is the area 1920. But there is a very good chance that this 38% hold, and we will make the turn to the upside. Okay. If not, then it will definitely gonna drop back to 1920 and even more to 1916, then 1920, 1902, and this 1892. This is around like 61%. So is it going to go down all the way? I really doubt about it. I think even if it's coming down, I think this 38% is gonna give us a bounce. So we might be able to go up towards 1959 again, or maybe 65. And then drop if we have to drop. But I don't think that we're going to drop more than that, because given the condition in the world, Middle East, whatever is happening there, all of that, people are in panic mode, and a lot of people are thinking about just buying gold, right? Get rid of all kind of paper currencies. So that might help a little bit. That's if that is true, then people will be buying, and we should see a buying pressure from here and going to the upside. So this is how we stand. But like I said, that if I mentioned that, okay, this is what's going to happen. Yesterday's video, that below 1959, 1959 is the key number. If we go below that, we're going to go down, and look how my system gave me the entry, and this was the entry, this was the entry, and then this was the entry, these couple of them, then this one, so many entries, right? And a beautiful trade. So this is how you plan your trade, and then trade your plan. All right. So just wanted to show you guys that this is what's happening. This is where we stand, and just be aware of this 38% and 133 level. 133 is also this high here, right there, right? Small high. This is the one. So it's sitting there, and it might just bounce from here. All right. So this is it for now. Just wanted to show you guys and share with you guys that be ready when the market opens up. Now, the next video I'm going to make about the indices. Very, very important. They are going right on the track, as I mentioned a couple of months ago, that they're going to be going to the upside. So they are beautifully going, and we're going to see where the heck they are going and how you can trade them. All right. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get all these setups ahead of time as soon as I upload my video, so that you can take advantage of that when the market opens up. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.